Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. Now in here I believe we only have a slot for dual SIM cards and no SD slot, but it's HUAWEI, so it is a possibility that it also takes the Nano memory, which is their proprietary memory, but I don't have any of those to check it, so I'm just assuming it's SIM card. No, anyway, for this you will need to have one of these things, the SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there. And once you have it, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Go right here, push the pin in, and the tray simply pops out. And once you take it out, you have space for SIM card and again SIM card. Now right here we do have a little marking of SIM written on it. It's barely visible because it's so small. On the other hand, or on the underneath side, you don't actually have anything. So like I mentioned, I don't know if this is for nano memory or just SIM tray. Anyway, I'm gonna flip it over, place the card in here, and then insert it back into the phone. The card should immediately start working, and additionally it will do this annoying thing because HUAWEI decides that it's what we all want. After changing or after doing a setup of our device, we deliberately want to have it in not the language that we have chosen. So prepare to have your entire system changed to the language of the SIM card. There we go. Well done, HUAWEI, to piss off everybody who doesn't use the language of the SIM card. So if you're one of those unlucky people that got their language just changed into something that they don't use, or they might not even understand, what you can do to change it is basically follow all the icons that I'm pressing. So as an example, we're going to start off by opening up settings. So it's this one right here. And from here, we're going to go all the way down to, I believe it's going to be under system and updates, which is second last option with this little icon right here. Let's see. And it looks like this. I'm just going to quickly check. Yep, so it's this option. So it is a fourth option right here. And then is the first one from the top. And in here you simply want to add the language, which is this blue text right here. As you can see, before it was set to English, but for some reason HUAWEI decides to, hey, we won't only change the language to the language of the card, we will also remove the old language completely, so you need to literally re-add it. Why? I have no idea, but it's HUAWEI, so who the hell knows. Once you find your language that you actually had before and you select it, it pops up this message again in a different language for some stupid reason when you're trying to change it to the language that you might not understand. So the option that you want to press is the one on the right side, which is change. And there we go. We now have our phone back in the state that it was before we inserted a SIM card. Now, additionally, once you pop out the SIM and insert it back in, it actually won't change the language again. It's just the first time. So at least that's nice. But yeah, that is basically how you insert a SIM card and also then deal with the pain in the ass that it is basically having your language changed by the SIM card. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.